Welcome back, gentlemen. Today, we'll unlock the art of communication with 5 timeless tips on how to speak like a true gentleman. From poised speech to masterful listening, let's transform your conversational skills into your greatest asset. Let's dive in, shall we? Tip 1. Use polite language. Always choose words that reflect respect and thoughtfulness. Avoid slang, harsh language, or anything that may be perceived as offensive or overly casual in formal settings. For example, instead of saying, "Hey, give me that," rephrase it as, "Would you mind passing that to me, please?" Polite language demonstrates both class and control over one's words. Tip 2. Mind your tone. Your tone conveys just as much as your words do. Speak in a balanced, clear voice that projects confidence but never arrogance. Gentlemen avoid speaking too loudly or too softly, ensuring their tone is calm and respectful. For instance, when asking a question like, "What are your thoughts on this?" use a tone that invites collaboration, not one that sounds commanding or indifferent. Tip 3. Dress the part. Speaking clearly makes your words impactful. Take a moment to slow down your speech, pronounce words properly, and avoid mumbling. For instance, instead of quickly blurting, "What do you think?" articulate it as, "What do you think?" Pausing between ideas gives weight to your statements and helps listeners absorb your message. Tip 4. Master the art of listening. A true gentleman knows that good conversation isn't just about speaking, but also about listening attentively. Maintain eye contact, nod when appropriate, and avoid interrupting. For example, if someone is sharing an experience, respond with, "That's really interesting, tell me more about how that made you feel." This shows genuine interest and encourages deeper dialogue. Tip 5. Speak with purpose. Choose your words wisely. Whether giving advice or sharing a story, ensure your words add value. Keep your speech free from excessive fillers like or you know. For example, when telling a story, instead of saying, it was like, an amazing time, opt for, "It was a truly unforgettable experience." This adds sophistication and credibility to your speech. And there you have it, gentlemen. Speaking like a true gentleman isn't just about words, it's about expressing respect, confidence, and character through conversation. Practice these tips and watch your interactions transform. Until next time, gentlemen,